Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of The Curious Explorer. We are here at Hillsborough River State Park for a camping trip. So yesterday was technically our first day, but we got here really late, around 5 o'clock, and sundown was at 6. So we really didn't have much time to do anything but set up our camp, cook our food, and then eat our food. So today is day 2, and today's plan is to go canoeing on the Hillsborough River. But first, we need to eat some breakfast. For breakfast today, we're having a traditional Indian breakfast called pohe, or poha. This is our campsite, number 57.
Our campsite had all of the necessary utilities, a picnic table, a fire pit, and power and water. This little shop is where you can rent your canoes. The river is really wide and incredibly calm. Even though it was a cloudy day, the views of the trees and the surrounding scenery was beautiful. Even though it wasn't a very eventful day in terms of wildlife, we did see some birds and an alligator. After that relaxing canoe ride, we had some time on our hands, so we decided to explore some of the trails that are in the park. The first thing we went to see are the rapids. These rapids are Class 2 rapids, and they're one of a kind in Florida because Florida is pretty flat. You can hear the rapids from a bit away, and the whole scenery surrounding them is beautiful, including the rapids themselves. We spent some time admiring the rapids, and then continued on. After that, we crossed the bridge and went onto the Baynard Trail. The Baynard Trail is a 1.1 mile loop. The path is pretty wide and clear, but it goes through some thick forest. After going around the Baynard Trail, we decided to go onto the River Rapids Trail. This trail goes up the river past the rapids.
We hiked the Rapids Trail, and we're going to turn around here because from this point on, the trail is closed.
After that, we came back to our campsite and started to cook dinner. For dinner, we had this cabbage curry with potatoes, some baked potatoes, naan, and this Indian crisp called papad.
Hey guys, it's day 3 of our camping trip. Today's a really cold day, so we're planning on hiking on the Wetlands Trail. This trail is about 3.1 miles one way.
The trail was incredibly open and we could see a ways out, but the sun shining on our backs was a comforting presence for us. On the dinner menu that night, we had salmon, which I cut, scored, seasoned, and threw in the fire. With the fish, we also had a green pea stew, the papad, and some baked potatoes again. Day 4 was really light because it was a day we were checking out. So we took our time and made some breakfast. So we made this traditional Indian recipe called sabudana khichdi. In English, they're known as tapioca pearls or sabo. We ate our breakfast and then we cleaned up camp. We had a ton of fun here at Hillsborough River State Park, and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.